Hey guys, my name's Lauren and welcome to my channel. So, my name's Lauren. Yep. I'm 18 years old. I like dogs. I like, that's so basic. I like dogs. Like, what the fuck? I'm like giving an intro because this is my first YouTube, so I'm like, you guys probably have no idea who the fuck I am, and you guys are like, who is she? So, that's what I'm doing. Oh, and this is a little bit of a weird topic, but I am a big fan of K-pop and K-dramas. Yes. Yes, I am. BTS. I stand. I work at McDonald's. Yeah, I work at McDonald's. That's fun, Mickey D's. But yeah, that's about it in my life. I work 2 jobs and I go to college, so your girl is a little busy all the time. So I'm gonna try and post videos like 2 times a week. Get my name out there, you know? Maybe at this video I can get 50 subscribers. 50 subscribers, that's all I'm asking for. 50, that's not a lot, but you know. Okay. Let's get in, let's do this. So, for my primer, you always want to have a good primer, ladies and gentlemen. You want to have that good, nourishing, primed face so your foundation will just stick on. So, for my primer, I use the Too Faced Hangover Replenishing Face Primer. So good. Smells good. Smells like coconuts. Like, come on, coconuts. But yeah, so what we do, just squirt some of it onto our hand. Yep, get it. And then just tap it all over your face, you know? We really want that primer to be moisturizing and all over. Yes! Yes, we do. And then for my foundation, I use the Huda Beauty Foul Filter High Coverage Cream Foundation in the color Custard, $2.29. I hate that word. That word's just weird to say. Custard. Ew. But I love this foundation. Such a good foundation. Alright. So, what I'm going to do is one pump is all you really need. It goes a long way. What we're gonna do is we're just gonna dab all over the face. Yep. All over. We're just gonna beat it. And what you do is you're just beating your face. Yep, that's the step. Beat your face. Okay, next. Now that we have our foundation on, our high coverage foundation on, we are then gonna go in with, where I am, you don't have to, I'm going in with the Tarte Shape Tape Contour Concealer in the color Light Sand. And it has a wand. I love concealers with a wand. I hate the ones that have to like dab it on your finger and like do it yourself. Haha, DIY, do it yourself. Concealer, oh, I'm so funny. With your concealer, we're really just gonna do it on your under eyes to get those bags to go away. I like to do it on my nose so I can highlight my nose, and I do my chin. And then I'm gonna go back in with the Beauty Blender, and I'm just gonna dab it on. Beat it, beat it, beat it, beat it, beat it, beat it. Ew, I'm weird. Okay, now that we have all of our concealer blended in and our foundation is on, we've basically gotten all the basic steps done. Next, we're going to go into our, if I can find it, because all my shit is literally laid out everywhere, I'm going to go in with my Born This Way setting powder in the color Translucent. You can see. Now, we're getting somewhere. Yes, we are baking. Yep, you're just gonna get all that powder under your eye, and then I like to put the setting powder under on my nose, basically where I put my concealer. And then on my chin. It's time to contour. The time is now. My time is now. So, when we're contouring, I'm going to go in with the color Shadow Play. This one right here. And I'm gonna get a brush, like a fluffy brush kind of. And this is by Japanese. I got it at Ulta. It was on clearance, so I was like, why not? So yeah, this is what I'm gonna be using. So just gonna take your brush, tap it in the color, tap it off a little because you don't want like too much color. And you're going to, if you're trying to figure out how to contour, you're going to basically put your brush up against your cheek, and you'll feel your jawbone. And that like indent, I guess that's what it would be called, is where you're gonna put your contour. So yeah. You're just going to start at the top and you're just gonna blend it out. You want it to look as natural as can be. Your girl stunting on them. Stunting. Okay, next I'm going in with the same color Shadow Play, and I'm going to apply it to the sides of my nose when you're contouring your nose. When you contour your nose, you're gonna start about up here and you're just gonna blend it. Blend it on the edges of your bridge of your nose. Ooh! It looks so good. Okay. Finally, my eyebrows are did. Ooh, girl, looking snatched. So, next is my favorite part, eyeshadow. I want to use James Charles Time Morphe, or do I want to use, give me a second to find it. Oh, here it is. The Huda Beauty Rose Gold palette, one of my favorites. Oh, because the colors, look at the colors, they're so pretty. Okay. James Charles. Yep, James Charles. Okay, first I'm going to go, oh, for my brush, I'm using the Morphe 503 brush, blending brush. I got it at Ulta, only brush that was sold there, I think. I really want to get his brush kit because they're so nice. But, god damn. Okay. Ah! Can't decide what color to use. Okay, I'm gonna go in with this, dark, deep purple, or not purple, but deep, dark, purplish cranberry color. That's it, raspberry. And I'm just gonna tap it on my brush. And for my eyes, I really like to pack it on. And with Morphe colors, especially with this palette, you really, the colors, you really have to pack it on to get the true color, the true pigment. It's not just gonna be one swipe and you're done. You have to really pack it on. I'm going to take the color, I kind of like to take a deep purple right here, and I'll just tap it off a little. And I like to put it just on the outer crease, only in the outer crease. And and then just blend it in. Blend, blend, blend. Just because I want it to look more deep and darker on my outer crease than on my inner, because you always want your inner crease to look a little lighter than the outer. So I'm going to be using the Saharan by Juvia's palette. The colors are so pigmented. Pigmentation is key. These are so good. I'm going to be using the color Iman. This one, this really bright glowy color for my lid. But before I do that, I like to take concealer and apply to my lid right about here and cut the crease, make a cut crease. When you make a cut crease, basically what you want to do is you want to take that concealer and outline where your eyelid makes that crease of your eye, and you're going to blend it out towards the outer crease. So we're going to take that color Iman. I hope I said that right. And apply it to the lid, and notice how brightening and magical this is. Look at it. Oh my god, this color is thriving on my lid. You are just glowing, baby. And the one thing I love about these palettes are the colors are just so pigmented and true to the color. I hate when people will swatch something and they say it's just one swatch. Honey, come on, you had to do a few of those to get that true pigment. Because I mean, with all palettes, I mean, you're gonna have to put a little effort in and actually blend it out. Duh. But now I have just taken a regular clean brush and really blending out that crease so there's no harsh lines from the shimmer color. Onto the eye, I like to take a glitter topper, and I'm using the Pretty Rich Too Faced palette to do this, and these are the colors for it. They're so pretty. And with glitter toppers, you really want to use your finger for it because they're pressed, and you just press it onto the eye to get the full all the glitter onto it, and it just applies easier. I'm trying to debate on what kind of glitter I want. I think I'm going to do a mix of silver and pink. So, for my first glitter topper, I'm going to use the color Diamonds for Breakfast, this one right here. And I'm just going to take my finger and press on the color. And you'll notice how I have all that shimmer now on my finger. And what you're going to do is you're just going to tap it onto the eye, on the lid basically. So once you apply that first glitter topper, I'm then going to go into the color Diamond Glitterati. And it's this pink one. And I'm just going to tap it on my finger and then apply it to my lid as well. Just so we have a mix of those pinks and that silver color like I applied on my lid. Just so it brings the whole look together. So once I apply all my glitter colors, I like to do inner corner highlight. And for my inner corner highlight, I think I'm going to use the Too Faced Diamond Fire Highlight, and this is what it looks like. Super pretty, super pigmented highlight. And I'm going to use just a tiny little brush, and I'm going to brush it on the highlight. I'm going to apply it to just the inner crease, just so we get that really bam, making my eye look much brighter, and just, it brings the look all together. I'm going to be using the Too Faced Diamond Highlighter for my highlight today, which is my favorite part. Ooh, that sounded kind of good. For that, I'm just going to use a fluffy brush. So cute. I love these brushes. And I'm just going to apply it to the brush. I really like to use a lot of highlight because I really like to glow, baby. Ooh! Girl, you gonna be glowing all day long. Oh, yes. For setting spray, I use the Urban Decay All Nighter Setting Spray. And all I do is I just spray it on. Ooh, girl, it's gonna stay on all night. And then I just really let it dry. And this is it. This is the look for today. Here's it up close. I hope you guys liked it. And alright, my final hoorah. So thanks for watching my video. I hope you guys enjoyed, and I'm going to continue making videos. Hopefully they'll be better than my first one. And I'm also hoping to get a backdrop for this so you won't see the back of my room, you won't see all my messiness. But I'm excited about that. I'm going to be getting a camera, an editing program soon, Final Cut Pro. Just a lot of big things are coming and happening soon, and I just hope you guys are excited and are here with me. But yeah, like and subscribe, leave a thumbs up, leave some comments down below, and as I said earlier, 50 subscribers, that's all I'm asking for. Hope you guys can get me there. Like, give me like 50 likes too, 50 and 50, right? But yeah, thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye!